mentioned that this world is like a playground. Now, what kind of playground is it, and what are the consequences of playing in this playground?
The play that we are playing has a law. Although everyone wants to enjoy, but our enjoyment depends upon how we play the game. So when we act rightly, which is called the pious activities, when we act in a pious way, then we get enjoyment as a result of that. But when we act in a wrong way, which is called sinful activities, as a result of our sinful activities, we get suffering. Now that is called the law of karma. As one sows, so does he reap. And that is the game that we are playing. Although we all want to enjoy, although we all want to win, but we do not always win. Our winning the game will depend upon how we are playing the game. And the law is there. You play it right, you will enjoy. You play it wrong, you will suffer. So the suffering and enjoyment, happiness and distress, misery and pain, they come in cycles. Like when we play it right, we enjoy. When we play it wrong, we suffer. That's the game in this material nature that all of us are subjected to.